Let's unbox this portable wardrobe closet. Inside the box are sturdy metal bars, thick plastic connectors, non-woven fabric panels, and the full-length zippered cover. Everything you need for easy assembly and serious storage. Instead of the paper instructions, I followed the brand's video tutorial. Way easier to follow and super clear. It helped me get everything together without confusion. As I assembled, I was impressed by the quality. Tough, tear-resistant fabric, solid plastic joints, and lightweight metal poles that feel strong and secure, definitely not flimsy. Fully assembled, it looks great and feels incredibly sturdy. The cover fits snug around the frame, and I love that it has curtain tiebacks if I want to keep it open during the day. The closet has 3 hanging bars across the top section, perfect for dresses, jackets, and longer garments. Below that are 6 roomy storage shelves that hold folded clothes, handbags, and even bedding. And then on the sides, this one is my favorite feature. 18 total side pockets, 9 on each side, ideal for keeping socks, accessories, or smaller items neatly organized. The whole setup maximizes vertical space and keeps things tidy without taking up too much room. It's super functional, especially in smaller bedrooms or apartments. Here, I've filled it up to test how much it holds. Coats, sweaters, jeans, even 2 full-size pillows, and a couple of throw blankets. Everything fits easily, and the hanging bars don't bow under weight. It handles heavier coats just fine, and there's still room to spare. This closet organizer really works for everyday use. It's not flimsy or temporary at all. I filled one side with my scarf collection. Love how I can see everything at a glance and keep them untangled. On the other side, I've tucked in sandals, slippers, and light shoes. The pockets are surprisingly deep and keep the floor clutter-free. With a smooth zip, everything's sealed up, dust-free, clean, and contained. And even fully packed, I can still slide it to the side with ease. It's lightweight but stable. Huge thanks to the brand for sending me this closet.